Yo, 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 welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking my e-bike down to the riverbed. See if we can't get any pictures of any ducks. That's about a little after 7 a.m., so kind of light outside, but we'll see how it works. Well, I got some good photos. It's kind of like a trial to see how this all works. Never taken my whole setup out here before. But yeah, I'm gonna head back home. I'll probably record that, and I'll make another video too on all my gear and stuff. But yeah. Little pit stop just to check out this little marshy area, but I don't think I'm taking anything. At least not today. Got a few more days off before I go back to work, so probably come back down here and then go east as well next time. But Pretty. Kinda. I mean, as pretty as you can get over here, I guess. Alright, well, as you can see, I'm back in the garage. Made it back. Yeah, this is going to be a lot shorter video than my other one, and a lot less talking. But I want to make videos kind of like this, with just me adventuring around, either in my RAV4 over there, or my e-bike. Real quick, I'll show you the e-bike. It's a Lectric XP4. Had to get the green. You'll probably tell. Switch back. That I like the color green. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be making more kind of like that, either in the riverbed or just around town or national parks or wherever. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully to get more out. I'll make my next video is going to be just basically about all my gear, like my car, bike, and all my camera gear. So yeah, thanks for watching.